Millions of years ago, humans lived in caves to survive Earth's harsh conditions.
But what if our story is about to come full circle, this time, on the moon?
For the first time in history, scientists have uncovered mysterious underground caves beneath the lunar surface, dark tunnels hidden for billions of years.
What lies within these ancient pathways could change humanity's future in space forever?
In 2009, Japan's Selene orbiter made a startling discovery, a massive pit in Mare Tranquillitatis.
Over the years, scientists have spotted more than 200 of these mysterious holes.
But these aren't just craters left by meteors, they're entrances to something far greater, what scientists now believe are lava tubes.
Billions of years ago, the moon was a geologically active world. Rivers of lava spread across its surface, creating underground tunnels.
As the lava flowed, the outer layers cooled and hardened, leaving hollow tubes beneath. Over time, some parts of these tunnels collapsed, forming the pits we see today.
But beneath these pits, untouched tunnels remain, preserved for billions of years.
These lava tubes aren't like the ones we find on Earth in places like Hawaii or Iceland. Thanks to the moon's weaker gravity, only 1/6 of Earth's, these tunnels are colossal, stretching over a kilometer wide.
Picture entire city blocks fitting inside.
So, how do we know these pits lead to massive caves? Scientists have been using advanced imaging technology. NASA's Grail mission detected areas of low mass under the moon's surface, and Japan's Selene orbiter found unique echo patterns in the Marius Hill skylight, revealing hollow spaces below. Now, space agencies are preparing to explore these alien caves. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory is designing the Duaxle rover, a robot capable of descending into these pits and mapping their interiors.
Meanwhile, China has its sights set on these tunnels as part of its ambitious lunar program.
Could this be where humanity establishes its first permanent base off Earth?
But why are these lava tubes so important for lunar exploration?
Because the moon's surface is hostile, radiation, extreme temperatures, and micrometeorite bombardment make it one of the harshest places in the solar system. During the day, temperatures soar to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, and at night, they plummet to -200 degrees Fahrenheit.
Without an atmosphere or magnetic field, astronauts are exposed to deadly solar storms. The moon is essentially a survivalist's nightmare.
Enter the lava tubes, natural shelters carved by ancient forces. These thick basalt walls provide protection from radiation, micrometeorites, and extreme temperatures. Data from NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter even revealed that temperatures inside the Mare Tranquillitatis pit remain stable at around 63 degrees Fahrenheit, a stark contrast to the harsh surface conditions. Imagine stepping into one of these caves, a sprawling underground world where humans could thrive. With breathable air, stable temperatures, and lunar gravity, it's easy to envision research labs, hydroponic farms, and even cities being built in these tunnels. By sealing parts of the tubes and filling them with oxygen, we could create livable environments that rival Earth's comfort. Now imagine playing sports in low gravity, gliding through the air or bouncing off walls. The moon's caves could foster not only survival but also entirely new ways of living. Of course, before we dream too far ahead, there's a lot we need to figure out. Are these caves structurally stable? Could they withstand moonquakes?
What about the risk of collapse?
To answer these questions, cutting-edge robots like Deus and Space Hopper are being developed. These rovers will map the tunnels, assess stability, and determine if these caves can truly support human settlements.
Beyond providing shelter, these tunnels could be a treasure trove of resources.
The moon's regolith contains helium-3, a potential fuel for fusion reactors. And if water ice is discovered within these caves, it could revolutionize space exploration, providing drinking water, breathable oxygen, and hydrogen for rocket fuel.
We're at the dawn of a new space race, one that's not just about planting flags, but about staying for the long haul. China, NASA, and private companies like SpaceX are all vying to unlock the moon's potential.
But the moon isn't just a scientific or economic frontier, it's a stepping stone for humanity's next giant leap, Mars and beyond. Thousands of years ago, our ancestors sought shelter in Earth's caves. Now, as we look to the moon, we're drawn to its ancient lava tubes, a poetic parallel that ties our past to our future.
Will these caves become humanity's next sanctuary? Could they be the first step toward a multiplanetary existence? One thing is certain, the moon's mysterious pits hold the key to a new chapter in human history.
Subscribe for more.